The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello children, I hope all of you are doing very well today. Can you give me a thumbs up if you are doing well? Wonderful! Children, shall we learn a special type of words? These words are called pronouns. Before we talk about what pronouns are, can you tell me what a noun is? A noun is a naming word. It can be the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Alright. So, a pronoun is a word that we use to replace a noun. We use pronoun instead of a noun sometimes. The pronouns that we use are he, she, it and they. You must have used these words before, right? So, let's learn them. The first pronoun is he. He is used for masculine gender nouns like father, uncle, grandfather, son, etc. The pronoun he is in a sentence to reduce the repetition of name. For example, Ram is my friend. He is a doctor. Instead of repeating the person's name 2 times, we can use the pronoun he. The second pronoun is she. The pronoun she is used for feminine gender nouns like aunt, mother, sister, grandmother, etc. For example, Priya is a singer. She is very beautiful. Instead of repeating the person's name 2 times, we have used the pronoun she. It is used for animal or things. For example, this is an elephant. It is very strong. Whenever we talk about an animal or thing, we will use the pronoun it. You is used for when we are talking to someone in front of us. For example, you are a smart boy. We is used for when we are talking about ourselves along with others. Can you see here 3 children are sitting here? So, for example, we are studying. They is used when you are talking about other people, animal or things. Here you are talking about group of people, animal or thing. For example, they are playing football. I is used for when you are talking about yourself. For example, my name is Abhishek. I am 6 years old. Here, the boy named Abhishek is telling about himself. So, he will be using the word I to represent himself. Now, let's see more examples.
David is excited. This year, David has a baby sister.
Do you see? David is coming in both the sentences. What kind of word is David, children? It is a noun. Because it's the name of person, so can we use pronoun instead of using David once again? Which pronoun do we use to replace the name David? We would use he instead using the word David. So, now let's read both sentences together.
David is excited. This year, he has a baby sister.
Shall we do another example?
Divya has a new bag. The bag is blue in color.
Which noun appears in both sentences? Bag, right? Bag is the name of thing and it comes in both sentences. So, here what we will use instead of a bag in the second sentence, we will use the pronoun it. So, now let's read both sentences together.
Divya has a new bag. It is blue in color.
Children, shall we look at few more sentences? Alright, look at these sentences.
Divya is excited. Tomorrow, Divya is going to the beach.
Which noun comes in both sentences? It's Divya. So, would you think we should use to replace the word Divya in the second sentence? What pronoun should we use? We should use the pronoun she, right? So, now when we read the sentences together, it says,
Divya is excited. Tomorrow, she is going to the beach.
Shall we do another sentence? Great. Let's read it together.
Suresh and Asha are my friends. Suresh and Asha love playing football.
Can you find out which noun is coming in both sentences? I give you a clue. There are two nouns. The nouns are Suresh and Asha. These nouns are in both the sentences. So, what pronoun do we use instead of Suresh and Asha in second sentence? Do you know? We will use the pronoun they. So, now in reading the sentences, it will say,
Suresh and Asha are my friends. They love playing football.
Children, now did you understand how to use pronouns in sentences? Children, now that you learned how to use the pronouns, shall we do a worksheet? Alright. Look at this worksheet.
Do you see some sentences with some blanks? In each sentence, can you fill in the blanks with correct pronoun? Remember, we have 4 named pronouns: he, she, it, they. Choose the correct pronoun and fill in the blanks. Parents, please take the picture of completed worksheet and send it to me through WhatsApp.
That's all for today. I will meet you in the next virtual class. Till then, bye.